This is Alex at the Sypnotix, and this is a Gigaflop size review of the Ficihp K2 mechanical keyboard with a display on it. There's an entire 12.6-inch IPS display on a keyboard. You can be working on something up here and something entirely different down there. Wallpaper engines that are live wallpapers look awesome when they flow also down right onto your keyboard. You can use the secondary display as a touchpad. Blue Gateron switches are actually pretty darn good here too. Overall, this is a one-of-a-kind keyboard that I've just honestly never seen before.